Namaskar, good afternoon. Welcome to the press conference to announce the 67th National Film Awards. We are deeply honored by the presence of our chairpersons who led from the front to look into the entries in the various categories, the feature films, the non-feature films, the best writing in cinema, and the most film-friendly state. Apart from them, who led from the front, we had people who were firmly behind them, members of our jury that I would mean the central panel, who was here for a very long period of time looking into the films. Before I invite the first chairperson, I just wanted to give you a peek into the exercise that we undertook. In the feature films category, we had about 461 films that entered, and that was one. The non-feature film had roughly 220 entries. The best writing in cinema books were about 25, and the critics were 12. And the most film-friendly states, we had entries from about 13 states. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again. I thank all my chairpersons who are present over here, Chandraji, Arun Chadda, Saibal, Shaji Karun sir. And, ladies and gentlemen, we have our jury members over here. Some of them had to leave because they had some other commitments. Amongst us, we have Vijay Jaina ji, she's right here, ma'am. C. Uma Maheshwar Rao sir, he's also over here. Subhash Sehgal ji, GP Vijay Kumar ji, Gangai Amiran ji, and S. Kumar sir. So these were part of the jury who adjudicated for the feature film. We had another jury which was there for the non-feature. So let me not hold back the proceedings. May I now request Shaji Karunji to kindly announce the first category awards, the most film-friendly states. Shaji. Sir.
Thank you. We had 13 states contesting for this particular award, that is most friendly state in 2019. And the jury comprised Mr. Ravi Kottarakara, Mrs. Manju Bora, and Mr. Fardal Hassan, and Mr. Abhishek Shaw. We had 2 days of deliberations. In 2 days complete deliberation, what the content it was given to us about the most friendly state. And we thought that we discussed, elaborate what is a friendly state. Generally, there are many areas where you can think about the friendly part of it, including the film festivals and the film schools, and then other areas like, the filmmaking, women-friendly filmmakers there and making films there. All those areas were there. And finally, we arrived, the best state this year in 2019 went to small state Sikkim. The good reason for all of us to find it because it is a state which by virtue it is very beautiful, and our jury went there. They also found that that is one of the best state probably to be discovered later by the filmmakers there. The jury has given their analysis and the reason for giving the award. I think it is these reasons they gave: to develop Sikkim into a film state despite their limited resources, including declaring incentives, offering support, cooperations for filmmakers for filming in the state, developing infrastructure, as well as encouraging skills and talent development. Jury noted that since the award is for the most film-friendly state, Sikkim impressed with their honest approach and the film-friendliness towards the use of filmmaking community with their vision and concern, which was far above any other state, especially given their difficult terrain and location and size. That was the reason for us to say that this is the best film-friendly state. And we also gave 30 recommendations to the minister, and then the ministry will examine them in future courses in detail. Probably looking forward for more encouragement for other states also based on our recommendation. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for announcing the most film-friendly state award to Sikkim. Friends, we would like to just point out to the composition of our jury comprising of eminent filmmakers all around. So whether it was for the first round of adjudication which went into the regional cinema, or we had the central panel for both feature and non-feature, comprising of very eminent film personalities and people who've been associated with cinema and people who have put their heart and soul for giving us the award, considering the fact that we were passing through COVID times. We begin with the next category of awards. I would request Saibal Chatterjee. Saibal needs no introduction. As the chairman of the Best Writing on Cinema, over to you, Saibal.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. We have the job of reading 25 books. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone. So we had the job of reading 25 books and analyzing and assessing entries from 12 critics, and these were in different languages, including English and Hindi, and of course the other languages of India. And it was a 3-member jury. The two people who assisted me, Mr. Raghavendra Patil, a well-known writer from Karnataka, and Rajiv Masand, who I'm sure you people know, he's a film critic. And so the decision that we took, I mean, the task was difficult in the sense that when you're trying to assess books in different languages, there's always the challenge of, doing justice to all the books in all the languages. English, Hindi, we can all probably read. Some people can read 1 or 2 other languages. So we took the help of friends who could read the other languages, the languages that we couldn't read. And but it was a very pleasurable experience because you get exposed to a lot of different ways of looking at cinema. Some of it is startlingly new, maybe some not that new, but I mean it's always great to see people writing on cinema in different languages in India. So the first award, I mean we actually have 2 categories: best book and best critic. In the best books category, I'm saying books because we actually have 3 books. We've given 2 special mentions. One special mention has been given to the Marathi book, Cinema Pahanara Manus, the man who watches cinema. I mean, cinema dekhne wala insan, that's, if I translate it in Hindi, by Ashok Rane. He's a well-known film critic in Marathi. The second special mention that we gave was to a Kannada language book. It's called Kannada Cinema, Jagatika Cinema, Vikasa, Prerane, Prabhava, which again, if I translate, is Kannada Cinema, World Cinema, Development, Influence, and what Prabhava would be? Influence. So, inspiration and influence, sorry. And so, that's by P.R. Ramadasa Naidu, who's actually a filmmaker. And this is his D-Lit paper, which he converted into a book. And so these are the 2 special mentions, one for a Marathi book and one for a Kannada language book. The best book of the 67th National Film Awards goes to A Gandhian Affair, India's Curious Portrayal of Cinema, a portrayal of love in cinema. This is by Sanjay Suri, again, veteran film journalist who, as far as I know, lives in London. And I'm not mentioning the publisher's name because I don't think it's necessary here. And the Best Critic Award, we again, as I told you earlier, we had 12 critics to assess, and roughly 4 or 5 were in English, 2 or 3 were in Hindi, and the rest in other languages. And the award goes to is given to Sohini Chattopadhyay, who writes in English, at the moment, and she's based in Calcutta. She writes in English and writes her papers at the national level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Saibal, for taking us through for the best writing in cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the non-feature category, a very important component of the National Awards traditionally, also because this is being considered as a platform for young budding filmmakers to talk about their creativity in various cross-sections of filmmaking. The sections are well known to all of you who've come to cover the press conference. We have 23 categories in the non-feature segment, and I would now request Arun Chaddaji, Chairman of the non-feature film segment, to kindly announce the different category awards. Arunji, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Very first, I would like to thank and congratulate Honorable Minister of I&B, Shri Prakash Javadekar Sahab, Secretary I&B, and the Director, DFF, for encouraging cinema movement and filmmakers through this National Film Awards in this tough time when the COVID pandemic is still on. These kind of awards certainly, it raises spirits among the filmmakers, and they encourage filmmakers to explore their creativity. So awards are must. Our jury basically saw roughly 203 films, a jury comprising of 6 members. One is Sasino Yoshu, Meena Longcham, Sri Prakash Menon, Sushil Rajpal, Harish Bhimani, Sanjeev Parashar, and of course me. It was really, really tough to select best films among 203. But I would certainly like to praise and thanks that more than roughly 50% of the films were produced by the first-time filmmakers. They were debut directors, which is coming up and shows that cinema is going to explore the visions and geographies as such. Because all these youngsters, basically, who are making first-time films, their themes and subjects and genre were totally different from one to other. So it was really tough time to pick up one film when we talk about best or short film amongst, say, 25 or 30 films. So it was a really, really tough time. But, of course, we had arguments, we had debates, and still we could come to a conclusion that unanimously we should select, by a democratic way, we selected the films. I would like to read the awards, what we collectively could think of. Best Narration Voiceover award goes to the film Wild Karnataka. And the awardee is Sir David Attenborough. For Best Music Direction, the award goes to Kranti Darshi Guruji, Ahead of Times, and the music director is Bishak Jyoti. Best Editing Award goes to Shut Up Sona. It's a Hindi film, Hindi and English, and editor is Arjun Gauri Saria. Best Autography, that's re-recording, mixing the track, that goes to the film called Radha. Radha is basically an animation film, but still, it deserves that prize. And Autography Award goes to Alvin Rago and Sanjay Maurya. Best On-Location Sound Recordist award goes to the film Rahas, as Hindi. The award goes to the on-location sound recordist as Saptarishi Sarkar. It's really tough film. It's on Ras Leela and capturing the sound from various different angles. Very, in a formal way, is a pretty tough job. Best Cinematography Award goes to the film Sonsi, Hindi film, and the camera woman is Savita Singh. Best Direction, the film is Knock Knock Knock, it's English and Bengali, and the director is Sudhanshu Saria. Now, the best film on family values, the award goes to Oru Pathira Swapnam Pol. It's a Malayalam film, and the producer is Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, and director is Sharan Venugopal. Now comes the Best Short Fiction Award. It goes to the film Custody. It's also Hindi and English, and the producer and director is Ambika Pandit. The most quite prominent award we call, when the film jury is there, is we call it a Special Jury Award, which is quite a big award. And it goes to the film Small Scale Societies. And director is Vipin Vijay. Best Animation Film. Award goes to the film Radha. Producer is Fairy Cows, director is Bimal Poddar, and animator is Nitin Kharkar. Now, the best investigative film, it goes to a Marathi film called Jackal. Producer is Neon Reel Creation, and director is Vivek Wagh. Best Exploration Film, the award goes to Wild Karnataka. It's in English. And producer is Amogh Varsha JS. And directors, there are 2-3 directors, Amogh Varsha JS, Kalyan Verma, Sarath Champati, and Vijay Mohan Raj. Best Education Film award goes to Apples and Oranges. It's also in the English language. The producer is LXL Ideas Private Limited, and director is Ruxana Tabassum. Best Film on Social Issues. This award has been collectively given to 2 films, shared by 2 films. One is Holy Rights, is Hindi. Producer is Priyanka Pradeep More, and director is Farha Khatun. And it is shared with another film called Ladli. It's also in Hindi. And producer and director is Sudipta Kundu. Best Environment Film, the award goes to The Stock Saviors. And its producer is Rajiv Mehrotra, PSBT, and director is Ajay Bedi, and directors are Ajay Bedi, and Vijay Bedi. Best Promotional Film, the award goes to The Shar, producer Little Lamb Films Private Limited, and director Bodhyan Mukherjee. Award for the Best Art and Culture Film goes to Shri Kshetra Ru Sahijita. It is Odia film, and the producer and director is Ashutosh Patnaik. Best Biographical Film award goes to Elephants Do Remember. It is in English. Producer is Films Division, and directors are Swati Pandey, Viplav Rai Bhatia, and Manohar Singh Bisht. Best Ethnographic Film, the award goes to Charan Atwa, The Essence of Being a Nomad. Producer, Films Division, director, Dinaz Kalvachwala. This film is in Gujarati. Best Debut Non-Feature Film of a Director, the award goes to Khisa. Khisa is a pocket, basically, a Marathi film, and producer is PP Cine Production, and director is Raj Preetam More. Wow, now comes the best non-feature film. The award goes to An Engineered Dream. Language is Hindi, and producer and director is Hemant Gaba. And that's all with the awards from non-feature films. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Arunji, for taking us through the various categories of the non-feature film. And friends, you must have heard as to how many first-time directors took the plunge in participating as far as the non-feature film category, which has been a very vibrant platform to take the joy of cinema forward in the history of filmmaking as far as India is concerned. And non-feature film has a tradition which has been taken forward by very eminent filmmakers in the past when they began the journey. And thank you very much, sir, for having helped us go through the proceedings and putting the act together of putting the awards the way they ought to be. Thank you once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I think is the most awaited segment of the film awards, the feature film category. And to announce the award, we have N. Chandraji, who's the chairperson of the feature film jury. There are various categories of award over here. And now over to you, Chandra Saab, please, kindly.
Namaskar. At the outset, let me thank the Honorable Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar ji and his Information and Broadcasting Ministry for reposing faith in me to dispense such an important task. I must confess that it was very, very hard to believe that we were going to watch 105 films on such a varied subjects and especially on sports. You name the sport and there was a film on it. From kabaddi to running to swimming to chess to basketball to football to cricket to polo, even women football team to women cricketer. In such a short time, Indian youth has taken to sport across the country is such an amazing phenomenon to watch. Another amazing observation was to watch new heroes emerging from our lesser-known history, such as Saida Narasimha Reddy, Kunjali Marakkar IV, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and even woman warrior Ahilyabai Holkar. We have tried to do justice to as many as filmmakers as possible. Before starting the deliberation, I had requested jury members that while deciding on the winner's name, let's not try to play God, but try to play parents. And the results are in front of you now. Thanks again to Honorable Minister Javadekar ji, and also thanks to Shri Chaitanya Prasad ji, Tanurai Madam, and everybody at the Directorate of Film Festivals who has taken good care of all the jury members and has contributed in making this task successful. Thank you. I'll first read out the names of the Central Panel jury. One, Chairman N. Chandra, Mr. Dilip Shukla, Bijoya Jaina, S. Kumar, Manoj Joshi, Gangai Aravan, Uma Shankar Rao, Chairman West Panel, Subhash Sehgal, Chairman South 2 Panel, Manju Bora, Chairman North Panel, Arunoday Sharma, Chairman South Panel 1, G.P. Vijay Kumar, Chairman East Panel. Now I will go to the main thing which we are waiting for, the awards. Special mention, there are 4 special mentions. First is Biryani in Malayalam language, director Sajin Babu. दूसरी जोना की पोरवा एसएमएस फिल्म बेंजामिन डायमेरी. तीसरा मेंशन लता भगवान करे, एक्ट्रेस लता कारे. This is a Marathi film. And fourth is again a Marathi film, Picasso, Abhijit Mohan Warang, the director. These are the 4 mentions. Now we come to the best feature films in each of the languages other than those specified in Schedule 8. Best Tulu film, Pingara, DMR Productions, director Pritam Shetty. Best Paniya film, Kenjira, Neeru Films producer, director Manoj Khanna. Best Missing film, Anu Ruwad, Ovo Noru Pictures, director Dilip Kumar Dole. Best Khasi film, Idiyu, producers Shivain Arts, director Pradeep Kurba. Best Haryanvi film, Chhoriyan Chhoron Se Kam Nahi, producers SL Vision Productions and Satish Kaushik Entertainment, director Rajesh Amarlal Babbar. Best Chhattisgarhi film, Bhulan The Maze, producers Swapnil Film Productions, director Manoj Verma. Best Telugu film, Jersey, Sitara Entertainment are the producers and director is Gautam Tinnuri. Best Tamil film, Asuran, producer V Creations, director Vetrimaran. Best Punjabi film, Rabda Radio 2, producers Vaheli Janta Films, director Sharandeep Singh. Best Udiya film. In this, there are 2 who are sharing this award. First is Sala Budhar Badla, New Generation Films, director Dr. Sabyasachi Mohapatra. And the sharing person is, another film is Kalira Atitu, producer Eleonora Images Private Limited, director Neil Madhav Panda. Best Manipuri film, Igi Kona, producers Luang Apopka Mamikol Productions, director Bobby Wahengam, Mai Paksana, Chango Nam Bam. We come to Best Malayali film, Kalanottam, producers First Print Studios, director Rahul Riji Nair. Best Marathi film, Bardo, producers Ritu Films Cut LLP, director Bhimrao Mude. Best Konkani film, Kajro, producer Digon Studio, director Nitin Bhaskar. Best Kannada film, Akshi, producers Kala Degula Studio, director Manoj Kumar. Best Hindi film, Chichore, producers Nadiadwala Grandsons Entertainment Limited and Foxstar Studios, director Nitesh Tiwari. Best Bengali film, Gumnami, producers SVF Entertainment Private Limited, director Srijit Mukherjee. Best Assamese film, Ronua Who Never Surrenders, फिल्म का नाम है. प्रोड्यूसर्स बोरनाली क्रिएटिव विजन एंटरटेनमेंट, डायरेक्टर चंद्रा मुडोई. बेस्ट एक्शन डायरेक्शन अवार्ड, स्टंट्स, अवने श्रीमन नारायण फिल्म का नाम, एक्शन डायरेक्टर विक्रम मोर. बेस्ट कोरियोग्राफी फिल्म इज महर्षि and choreographer is Raju Sundaram. Best special effects, Marakkar Arabi Kadalinte Simmam and special effects creator Siddharth Priyadarshan. Special jury award, Otta Serupu Size 7 and producer and director is Radhakrishnan Parthiban. Best lyrics, Malayalam film Kolambi, lyricist Prabha Verma, song Arodum Parayuka Vayya. Best music direction, it is divided into songs and background music. For songs, a Tamil film Vishwasam, music director D. Iman. And for background music score, Bengali film Jeshto Putro, music director Prabuddha Banerjee. Best makeup artist for Malayalam film Helen, and makeup artist is Ranjit. Best costume designer, film is Malayalam Marakkar Arabi Kadalinte Simmam, costume designer Sujit Sudhakaran and V. Sai. Best production design, Anandi Gopal, Marathi film, production designer Sunil Nigvekar and Nilesh Wagh. Best editing, Telugu film Jersey, editor Naveen Nooli. Best audiography, Khasi language film, Iddu, and the sound record, there are three divisions in this. One is for sync sound only, that is Debovich Gayan. Then second is Tijja Marathi film for sound designer Mandar Kamalapurkar. And the third one is Utta Sepuru Size 7, that is for re-recordist of the final mix track, that is Rasul Pukotti. Best screenplay also has three categories. One is original screenplay, one is adapted screenplay, and one is dialogue. So first I'll go to original screenplay, Kaushik Ganguly for film Jeshto Putro. Then I go to adapted screenplay, Srijit Mukherjee for Bengali film Gumnami. And for dialogue writer, Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri for Tashkent Files. Best cinematography, Jallikattu, cameraman Girish Gangadharan. Best female playback singer, Marathi film Bardo. Savani Ravindra is the singer, and song is Rana Petala. Best Male Playback Singer, Hindi film Kesari, singer B. Prak, song Teri Mitti. Best Child Artist, Tamil film Karappu Durai, child artist Naga Vishal. Best Supporting Actress for Hindi film Tashkent Files, supporting actress Pallavi Joshi. Best Supporting Actor, Tamil film Super Deluxe, Best Supporting Actor Vijay Sethupathi. Best Actress, Hindi film Manakarnika, The Queen of Jhansi, and Panga in Hindi, for both this Kangana Ranaut. Best Actor, again it is shared by two wonderful actors. First is for film Bhosle, the actor is Manoj Bajpayee, and the other person is for Tamil film Asuran, actor Dhanush. Best Direction, Hindi film Bahattar Hure, director Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan. Best Children's Film, Hindi film Kasturi, producer Insight Films, director Vinod Uttareshwar Kamble. Best Film on Environment Conservation and Preservation, Monpa language film Water Burial, producer Farooq Iftikhar Lashkar, director Shantanu Sen. Best Film on Social Issues, Marathi film Anandi Gopal, producers SL Vision Production Limited, Fresh Lime Films and Nama Pictures Private Limited, director Samir Vidwans. Nargis Dutt Award for Best Feature Film on National Integration, Tajmal या Tajmal, producers Tuline Studios Private Limited, director Niyaz Mujawar. Award for Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment, Telugu film Maharshi, producer Shri Venkateshwara Creations, director Pedipalli Vanchidhar Rao. I am just coming to the end of the list. Indira Gandhi Award for Best Debut Film of a Director, means the first film of the director. The film is Malayalam. The title is Helen. Producer Big Bang Entertainment. Director Muthukutti Xavier. And finally, for which you are waiting, Best Feature Film. Best Feature Film. Marakkar Arabi Kada Linte Simmam. Producer Ashivat Creation Cinemas and director Priyadarshan. That brings an end to all the work we had done for last 1 month. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chandraji, for taking us through the feature films category and covering the wide range of cinema that has been presented to the media today. Thank you once again to everyone on stage and all my jury members who put in their efforts to make sure that we would see the awards coming out today.
You also,
as
you were actually more.
Sir, and that was pretty quick actually. We finished everything in 40 minutes, not bad. Can we take some questions please, and then we would break for some refreshments where you may like to have an interaction with the members of the jury and chairperson. So any questions please? Yeah, number 15 please. Yeah. Identify yourself please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Sanjay Agarwal. I have a channel, World News 24/7, sir. So my question about Sikkim, sir. When you identify Sikkim as the film-friendly state, so what are the parameters, sir?
See, Sikkim, our parameters are almost 21 parameters, which we thought that it is how the filmmakers are treated there initially, and how friendly the people around there, and also the commitment when a filmmaker comes there, how much kind of response, kind of friendliness they will to the filmmaking group and crew.
Can we just 1 minute, sir? Can we just have some silence, please? I mean, he's answering a question. If you would kindly, please, friends over here, please, kindly.
And finally, cinema is also a place for the tourism too. And through their commitment, probably many domestic tourism, other things, the landscape is a part of the cinema also. And with a small state, and with their commitment to the cinema, and cinema should grow all the states all over India now with the technology available all over the availability, friendly ways to reach there. So I thought, our team thought, we discussed the parameters quite a lot, but we found Sikkim is much, much superior in these attitudes.
Yeah, number 10, please.
George Kaliwail from Deepika. Now, the three main awards, that's Best Feature Film and Best Actor and Actress. Can you say whether the decisions were unanimous, or who are the close contenders in these three categories?
There are always deliberations after when we see the film, but then finally it is the complete jury agrees to one picture, and then only we start giving the awards. So there, it was a unanimous decision and not divided one. No, sir, we cannot go into that process. Who are the contenders, all that. We don't want to name anybody. We have given the winners. That's it, and that is our job.
Any more questions, please? Anyone would like to ask any question? Otherwise, we'll.
My question was, in Sikkim, when they're talking about tourism, so are we going to promote international filmmakers also? Are we inviting them to the States, sir?
Very much, for the good reason. They will, as the many people comes, the infrastructure will naturally develop there. Right, thank you.
Any more questions to be asked? Otherwise, we close the press conference. I think the jury has done a wonderful job in explaining the films that have been selected. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, one more thing, sir, I would like to just add is all friends who come from the media, we would like you to join us for refreshments on the 4th floor. Thank you very much for coming over here, and hopefully very soon we should be putting the ceremony together, so let's see. Thank you very much for coming over for the press conference today. Namaskar.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.